Hey guys, it's Jim with Motorhome Rehab Ranch on Patreon and Co-op Motorworks. The biker's dream. Hey, how about that? We're gonna save that somehow. I'm not sure how to do it. But anyway, the biker's dream needs some love. As you see here, the guys have already pulled off the bogie. That's the rear suspension. This is that box between the two wheels, right? Problem we have with this thing is that the pins are loose. Can't really see it with it off, but you can grab the wheel on the outside edge and pull in and out, like right here, and it would move. All right, when that happens, you need to pull the bogie off. There's 6 bolts that hold it. Comes on the ground. Of course, the brakes need to be disconnected, the shocks, all that, air system. So you get it where it's just like this, okay? So the guys are going to come over here and they're going to take out the pin. You've heard of the bogie pin, right? That's where the wear is. All right, the swing arm rotates on the bogie pin right here, all right? So that's where the wear is. So they're going to pull this pin out right now and let you guys see it. All right, come on, man. Come on in and knock this baby out. What they're going to do is push from the inside out. Now, this is against the frame. Wow. Baby, as loose as a goose. Look at here.
That's what I was saying.
A little more, a little more, a little more. Booyah! Here we go. You got to throw me a rag right there. Okay, now this is the pin. So there's 4 bushings on this pin. 2 right here and 2 right here. So let's see if we can see the wear on the pin. You can see right here where it's worn, and right here it's not. So that pin is tapered. Okay, when the arm is right here, it's got movement. If you turn this where it's here, it wouldn't have any movement. It's tapered. This pin needs to be replaced. Not only does the pin need to be replaced, but inside this arm, yeah, hold that up. That's a biggie. Inside here are the 4 bushings. Those got to get knocked out. Got to put new bushings in there. You got a thrust washer right there you got to replace. There should be what's left of a gasket. No, the rubber seal fell out years ago. But that gets put in, all new, reamed out to make that sure the new pin fits right in here. So there's a lot of work to be done. Just getting it off is one thing. So it's off. It's ready to be, the rest of it be taken apart. They're going to knock these bushings out. We're going to buy 4 pin kits. When I say a pin kit, the pin kit is, you got that pin kit we had? Pin kit comes with, throw it up here. Just, yeah, when you buy a pin kit, it comes with a new pin. It comes with a nut for the end of it. It comes with the bushings. We got the bushings in the freezer right now. But it comes with the thrust washers to go on either side of the pin. It comes with the seal. And then it comes with the big seal that we were looking for that fell apart. Each pin bushing, you usually find them for about $200, something like that. We don't sell them. We support the other GMC community that sells parts, and we buy things from them. But these are available. They're custom made. All right. So this side is going to get 2 pin kits. The other side, what the hey, it's a 73. You know, it needs pins. Now, you've heard people talk about big pins and small pins. In 73 and 4, the pins were 1.5 pins. This is a 2-inch, inch and a quarter pin. This is 1.5 inches. Okay? You can see it's a little bit smaller. Okay? This pin was fine as long as it kept grease. As long as people kept grease in it all the time, it was fine. But guess what? We didn't. These wore out. So 73, 74, they're 1.25 inches. 75 and on, they went to 1.5 inch pin. Bigger pin, no matter how bad we screwed it up, it would not wear out before the warranty. So that's the difference. It's no big deal. One's not better than the other. It's just a different diameter. It's a 1/4 inch difference. So that's a pin kit. Usually you find pin kits about $200. And you've got a lot of work to press the bushings out, press new bushings back in, and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, you're looking probably about 20 hours worth of work to get this whole thing off, to get it cleaned apart and cleaned, new pins put in it, and put it back on. You're looking at about 20 hours worth of work. We'll see how it goes. How'd it go pulling it off, Ricky?
Not too bad.
No?
Yeah,
Came on?
decent.
Okay.
Just
So
brake lines, old brake lines needed to be cut and broken off.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, just taking this thing off, I mean, the emergency brake cables, you know, that thing's solid right there. Brake lines. So all that stuff will be replaced as well. All right, well, the whole idea, when you're working on something, you do everything. If you're working on a 2010 Toyota, okay, find the bad part, replace it, because there's some original integrity left in that 2010 Toyota, and you're trying to get it out. But here, there's no integrity at all. You have to build the integrity back in. So when you're working on a system that has a problem, that just says, I need everything. So you do everything. Why do you do that? Because you don't have to do it again. So I hope this helps. If you appreciate videos and things like this, see more on Motorhome Rehab Ranch on Patreon. Become a ranch hand. Help us out. Help us do all this kind of stuff. I've got this cordless microphone that actually goes over a compressor from your generosity, and I really appreciate that. You can also go to Co-op Motor Works. We have a lot of written stuff there. You can learn there. We're all about showing you how this is, why this is a really interesting business, a real interesting motorhome. And hey, how many motorhomes do you know that have the biker's dream painted on the side? So thanks for coming, and we'll see you later.